Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to pack gold coins in PVC card packing. So this is a 2 gram gold coin and we are going to pack in this PVC card. So we need to place the gold coin here. So here it is, the coin is packed perfectly. I have made a similar video on how to pack 10 gram silver coin as well. So if you want you can check out that video as well. I have placed the link of the video in the description box below or you can click on the link above. So that's it in today's video. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.